We like to teach puppies to lay down on cue. Using a hand signal and the word down, ask your puppy to lay down. Do not repeat the word over and over. Give your puppy some time to think about what you are asking for. As soon as his elbows hit the ground, say yes and deliver a treat. If the puppy does not go down quickly and seems disinterested, you can try again by showing him the treat or lowering your hand to the ground. Sometimes you may need to reset and take a step back and start over. Be exciting. If you are boring, your puppy may get bored too.